Hello humans.
बिस्किट गिरा दी.
Welcome to Akshi's kitchen.
तालियां.
Today we are going to be making a chocolate mug cake, and she is going to be making a mug cake with biscuits. I'm not too sure. Let's go ask her. What are you going to make, ma'am?
Basic cake by using biscuits.
Now I am using the recipe 2 minutes mug cake recipe, super soft and rich eggless microwavable cakes cooking shucking. The channel's name is Cooking Shucking.
Hey foodies, welcome to Cooking Shucking. In this video we are going to make mug cakes. These will just take 2 minutes of your time and the result will be all worth.
It will be all worth, guys. पीछे बिस्किट क्रश करने की आवाज आ रही है.
You can see how soft or maida we are going to add.
4 tablespoons of maida. Okay, 4 tablespoons. This is going to be our tablespoon, guys. Let's go acquire maida. Here is our maida. Now let's put 4 tablespoons of maida in our cup. Okay, so guys, 4 tablespoons of maida have been acquired in the mug. Let's see what's next in the recipe.
1.5 tablespoons of powdered sugar.
1.5 tablespoons of powdered sugar. I don't have powdered sugar, so we'll just use normal sugar. Here is our normal sugar. You guys can't see me. Can you guys see me? I'm going to... No, I'm not going to add it. I don't want to miss. It's just...
Tablespoons of powdered sugar.
1.5 tablespoons of powdered sugar.
If you don't have condensed milk, then you have to use 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar.
3 tablespoons, okay. Update on the biscuit mug cake. How is it going? Very basic. It does not look appetizing. शक्ल नहीं दिख रही, मैं क्या करूँ? ओए, कोको पाउडर कहाँ पड़ा है? कोको पाउडर. Oh, I think here it is. Acquired. This looks.
Surprised it even baked.
You're surprised it even baked? Because if you add baking soda to anything, it will like obviously bake.
True, but I need to cook it for more time.
कैसा है?
It's very
Cinematic shot.
It's very tasteless.
Tasteless? ऐसा लग रहा है बस बिस्किट में वो कर दिया.
Normal biscuits से ज़्यादा taste अच्छा taste आता था.
Enough of that, guys.
Extra soft and good, we are going to require 1/16th teaspoon of baking powder.
1/16th tablespoon of baking powder, guys.
Basically 2 pinches, guys.
How?
After adding the 2 pinches of baking powder, we will add half a pinch of baking soda.
I didn't have baking soda.
Here I'm using a fork to mix it really well.
I've already
Now
mixed
we are going
it.
to give it a good
Here's
mix.
how it looks.
Make sure all the baking powder, cocoa powder, baking soda is really well mixed with the maida.
I think
This
I'm
looks
going to add a
good.
little
Now we are going
more
to add the
cocoa
wet
powder.
ingredients. First is 1 tablespoon of condensed milk.
I
If you
don't
don't
have
have
1
condensed
tablespoon
milk
of
handy,
condensed
then you
milk.
can totally skip it in this recipe.
Okay.
Next we are going to add 1 tablespoon of milk.
1 tablespoon of milk. Let's
butter.
acquire milk.
If you do not
Oh my
want
god, why am I going to pause the video? I have to pause this, but I'm pausing this. Okay. Let's acquire 1 tablespoon of milk. Update on this, guys. She's decorating her mug cake. I haven't tried it. Where's milk? Here it is. Milk. Let's add a little more milk to it. Let's see what's next in the recipe.
You can also use oil in this recipe. By the way,
Butter, okay. So the video said either I can put butter or I can put oil, and I'm going to put oil because melting butter is too much of a hassle.
Guess you wonder why.
I'm going to go in the oven for 2 minutes and let's see how it turns out. Oy. Here is our cake after 2 minutes of baking. Let's do the toothpick test. Definitely underwhelmed.
Ooh, I think it's done. Toothpick here. Let's try. It is baked. I think it's yes. It is. If you keep it for once more, I think it will be over baked. It's like a fudgy kind of.
I don't like fudgy things. She likes fudgy things. I think it's baked.
I would say it is.
try आप करोगे.
Should I take बीच में से कि side में से?
जहाँ से लेना है.
Ooh, that is quite moist. That looks quite good.
Cream डालिए. That's quite good. Pretty good. Guys, मेरे baking skills approve होते हैं from the baking master. ये था मिनी एक्सपेरिमेंट गाइस. डोनट की ग्लेज के साथ थोड़ा कोको पाउडर मिक्स करके चॉकलेट ग्लेज बनाने की कोशिश की थी हमारे बहुत ही ज़्यादा बिग ब्रेन ने, है ना? आपने ट्राई किया था. आप भी तो ट्राई करें.
गरम होगा.
एक्सपेरिमेंट अपना.
You know what?
Looks very appetizing. This is our mug cake. It doesn't look very appetizing, but it is very tasty. Oh, gum. No reply. लोग third bite. Third is the best, right? लो खा लो.
No one should.
I say that. Well, it's not technically no one if I say that. One thing left, which is to take mom and dad reviews. So they're sleeping right now, and after they wake up, I'm going to take the review. I'm leaving this cake for them.
The mom and dad review will actually be able to pass the test. Let's see.
चॉकलेट मग केक बनाया है जो आप खा के देखो. पूरा तो खा लेते हैं. कैसा है? बहुत अच्छा है. अरे थोड़ा खा लो उसके बाद बताओ. अच्छा है. थम्स अप. ट्राई करो. मम्मा आपके फ़ोन के पीछे आवाज़ आ रही है इतनी ज़्यादा. बताओ कैसा है?
It's yummy.
इट्स यमी. रेट कितना करोगे 10 में से?
9.5 out of 10.
9.5. Okay, that's a high rating.